Today I will deliver my second lecture for your chapter Safety Rules. In my previous video I have discussed some safety rules about safety for road and safety for home. Today I will discuss safety from fire. As we know that fire is also useful for us. Without fire we cannot perform our so many activities. Without fire we cannot cook our food. So fire is also helpful and useful for our life, human life. But same time, if we are not careful, if we are careless while using fire, while treating with fire, it may cause so many dangers, so many injury for us. So we should follow safety rules from fire. So today I will discuss some safety rules from fire. As we know that fire mainly used in our home, in kitchen to cook food. So we should follow some safety rules. We should be careful while using fire. So while cooking, the person who cook food, they should use cotton cloths to catch any hot object in kitchen. Next, people who cook food in kitchen should wear cotton cloths, because cotton cloths can catch fire very slowly. So cotton is waste while using fire. In case of any electric gadget, we should repair any fault, any spark. If any electric appliances produce a spark, we should repair it immediately, because it may cause fire, that is electric fire. We should never use any stove by putting on floor. If kerosene oil is spread on the floor, it may cause fire, resulting fire. While cooking, if pan in which oil is heating, if oil of pan catch fire, then we should cover it with any pot, or we should pour baking soda, and by using baking soda in oil, we can put off fire of the pan. We should never use nylon or synthetic cloths using fire cooking in kitchen. We should always wear cotton cloths by using cotton cloths. During Deepavali, when children burn crackers, they should do not burn crackers alone. They should burn crackers in the presence of any elders or in front of their parent. So these are some rules while treating, while using fire. But in case unfortunately any place catch fire, then how do we treat with fire? How do we put off fire? So any burning substance need air, oxygen to burn. So if it is possible, then we should cover the burning substance with the help of any blanket, with the help of sand, with the help of soil. Any substance which can cut the air of supply, we should cover the burning substance with the help of blanket, wet blanket, sand, soil. By covering these, by using these substances, we can cut the supply of air and fire can be put out. We also use water to put out the fire. But in case of electric fire, we will not use water to put out the fire. First of all, we will cut off the connection of electricity, and then we call fire brigade, and then we can use water or any system to put off the fire. Fire extinguisher should be used to put off any types of fire. In case of gas leakage, gas fire, we will also cover it with wet blanket, and by covering the burning substance, burning part, by using soil and sand. We should never pour water on burning kerosene and petrol, because kerosene and petrol is lighter than water. So water will go down and kerosene and petrol come over the water, float on the surface of water, and water cannot put out the fire of kerosene and petrol. So on the burning kerosene and petrol, we should not pour water. If fire is very dangerous, very huge, so in this case more dangerous, we should call fire brigade. That number is 101. 101 number is toll-free number, which is related to your nearest fire brigade station. So all over India, all over country, people can call by dialing 101 number to call fire brigade. So these are some safety rules and some ways to prevent for the prevention of fire. So for today, that's all. In my next lecture, I will discuss further about this chapter. Thank you.